Hivers, welcome to Honeybee Stamping Hive, where a creative buzz is always in the air. I am Tashana Lundy, your independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator in Florida, serving customers all over the United States. And today, we're going to be working on an alternate using the Painted Petals July 2024 Paper Pumpkin Kit. This is what the kit is intended to make, and it came in this fabulous box. But we're going to be making an alternate and showing you another one. Okay, so before we get started, we're going to go over the buzzworthy business of the day. We have our August paper pumpkin kit, Time for Cake. It comes with an additional stamp set for free, so there's going to be 2 stamp sets. It makes 9 cards and comes with the Night of Navy stamping spot. We have the Every Celebration Dies add-on for $12. The item number is 164991. These are dies that coordinate with July, August, and September paper pumpkin kits, and they are while supplies last. If you don't already subscribe to the Paper Pumpkin, please click the link in the description box so that you can join. Next, we have our mystery boxes. These are the medium flat rate USPS boxes that I have stuffed full of new and used, all retired Stampin' Up! Products. I'm asking $30 for each box. Shipping is included. I can only sell and mail these boxes in the United States. If you're interested, go ahead and email me at stampwithshawna@gmail.com. For the month of July, we have our host code here. This is the code I want you to use whenever you're placing an order with me. Unless your order is $150 or more, don't use this host code because you're going to qualify for Stampin' Rewards. Stampin' Rewards equals free products from Stampin' Up! And I don't want you to miss out on any of your freebies. We also have our bonus days promotion going on where you spend $50, you earn a $5 coupon code to redeem in August. Okay, so for every $50 that you spend in July, you will earn a $50 coupon code that Stampin' Up! Will email to you. So let's get started on our project because that is the end of the buzzworthy business. So I have a basic white thick card base. It's 8.5 by 5.5, scored at 4 1/4, and I burnished that score drawing down with our bone folder. We are going to use 3 pieces of the paper pumpkin kit. I have cut those strips down to 3/4 by 4 1/4. And I'm going to layer those on some basic black. And these are 7/8 by 4 3/8. And we're going to go ahead and not label them, glue them down to their mats. Okay, so we have 3 pieces here to get done. This kit is super cute. I have had a lot of fun making my alternates because this is the last video for my alternates. And you won't believe how much stuff I still have left. I'm going to show you what all I made with 3 cards. The front and back of 3 cards. Okay, so I have that done. And we're going to go ahead and, let's see. We're going to go ahead and glue these on to our card base. And I'm going to put this one like that. I'm going to get this green mossy metal. We're going to put it like that. Let's take this coral. And we're going to put this one about right there. I have some basic black here. Let's see. Maybe, yeah. Okay, this basic black is 2 5/8 by 3 3/8. And I have a piece of basic white that we're going to stamp on. And this one is 2.5 by 3 1/4. So let's close up our glue and get to stamping. So we're going to stamp this floral image from our paper pumpkin stamp set. Painted Petals stamp set. We're going to ink this up with the Tuxedo Memento Black ink. And we're going to stamp this. I probably should have did the sentiment first. But we're going to stamp this right here. That is so pretty. Then we're going to take our sentiment. What is it? You're simply the best. I haven't used this stamp. So let me make sure. Yeah, I'm happy I didn't stamp that on my card because didn't stamp too well. Let's try that one more time. There we go. Because this is the first time I'm using this stamp. Sometimes you have to prepare the stamps when it's the first time using them. Okay, so now we're gonna do some coloring. So I'm gonna, what color do I wanna do this in? I think I'm gonna do this flower, in Daffodil Delight. That is one of the colors in this kit. And I'm gonna use Granny Apple Green for the leaves. Yeah, Daffodil Delight is listed as one of the colors in this kit because it's just a little bit in the background of one of the flowers, I think. That is dark. This is the light Granny Apple. I hope I'm staying in frame. That was kind of low on my desk. If you watch the other videos, I colored these this flower and die cut it. I showed you the die cut rather, but I colored it and showed you different colors. You know, you can color this, it's a flower. You can put it in whatever colors you want. The middle of this, I want to use some Cajun Craze. It just gives it a little more something, having this darker color in the middle. That is the light Cajun Craze. Then I'm going to get the dark Daffodil. I'm going to go over right where that Cajun Craze was. Just like that. Then I'm going to get the light Daffodil and finish coloring the rest of it in. This is light, yeah. Making sure I didn't get Lemon Lolly. Ooh, sorry for the squeaking, but this seems to be a little dry. So let me go to the dark Lemon Lolly. Maybe I should have used the light. But it's done. Okay. So now we're going to take this and glue these two together. And layer that on the black. Ooh. Okay. Now we're going to get some Stampin' Dimensionals to put on the back to pop this image up on our project. Hopefully the other side is not moving around from those dimensionals being put on. Nope. We're gonna sit this kind of off to the side here, cattywampus, like that. And we are going to get some Adhesive-Backed shiny sequins, and we're gonna add, I think this is Lemon Lolly. Lemon lime twist, yeah, Lemon Lolly. So we're gonna add some Lemon Lolly sequence on our card here. Then I wanna add one of these lemon lime twists over there. The Melon Mambo right here. Then we have a pumpkin pie. I'm gonna add that one right there. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. It's an even number, but I like it. So that is this card done. I love this card. It's super cute. I'm not gonna do the insides because I wanted these videos to be pretty quick. So this is the 4th card that I made. Even though this is the 4th video, I actually made this card, and I don't know, for some reason my phone stopped recording after like 30 seconds and I didn't know, and I made this whole entire card. I want to give you the dimensions for this, the pieces. So these pieces from the card base are 1.5 by 1 3/4, and they're matted on basic black that is 1 5/8 by 1 7/8. And I got these leaves from this dies that coordinate with the paper pumpkin kit. I did 2 in Old Olive and 1 in Mossy Meadow, and then added those same sequins that we just used. And I stamped I'm So Lucky to Have You in My Life in basic gray. And I did some splattering with Melon Mambo, Mossy Meadow, and Calypso Coral. Isn't that cute? Okay, so those are the projects for today. Now let me show you all the rest of the cards that I made using 3 cards from this kit. Only 3 cards. So the cards basically looked like this, but I took the card fronts off and cut them down, matted them on some basic black, and then put that on white card base. So that was my first alternate, those 3. Then from there, I made these 3, which are very similar to the original cards, but quite different. Then I did a stack, cut, and shuffle, and I made these 3. And I used the dies, again, from that coordinate with the stamp set, or this paper pumpkin kit, and it had the hooray in there, okay? Then I made this card. Isn't this cute? So I made all of these cards from 3 cards from the kit. Okay, you guys, that's it. That's all. Don't forget to leave a comment, like, share, and subscribe. And as always, I want to thank you for buzzing by the Hive today. Until next time, buzz you later. Bye.